Hola chicos, soy yo, Senora Green. I wanted to give you the new vocab today. So make sure I think this is towards the end of the packet. I think it's the very last page. Just a few words we're going to learn. Acabar de. I just want you to recognize this. This isn't going to be on the test. This part isn't going to be on the test, but I just want to make sure that you recognize what this is. Acabar de means to have just done something. Like you could say, I just ate would be acabo de comer. It's an AR verb, so you conjugate it just like a normal AR verb. We just danced is acabamos de bailar. Jorge just had lunch would be Jorge acaba de almorzar. Okay, so that means to have just done something. Acabar de. Saber and conocer both mean to know. Saber is a normal verb except for the yo form. The yo form is weird. Se is the yo form. Tú sabes, sabe, sabemos, sabéis, saben. So if you've ever asked me a question before and I've said no sé, that means I'm not going to say. It means I don't know. No sé, right? Saber is to know. Right? Conocer also means to know, and I'll talk about the difference in a second, and it also has a weird yo form. The yo form for conocer is conozco. The rest of it's normal. Conoces, conoce, conocemos, conocéis, conocen. Normal ER verb. Right? Conocer versus saber. Just to keep it simple, there are other differences, but just to keep it simple, we're going to be reminded that conocer you use with knowing people or knowing places. Saber you use with everything else, facts, information, anything else. So if I say, I know Bob, that would be conocer because Bob is a person. If I say, we know Kings Island, like we're familiar with Kings Island, that's a place, so we'd use conocer. If I say, I know that 1 + 1 = 2, that's a fact, okay? So if it's not a person or a place, use saber. If you're not knowing a person or a place. Let's do a few together. So this one says, yo blank que Eva es muy bonita. And I have to choose saber or conocer. Now you might see Eva and think, oh, it's got to be conocer because that's a person. But we're not knowing Eva in this sentence. It says, I know that Eva is very pretty. Ooh, that's a fact or that's information. So that would be saber. So the yo form of saber is sé. Número 2. Mi madre saber conocer cocinar. If you remember that cocinar means to cook, so my mom knows how to cook, that's not a person or a place, so that must be saber, sabe. 3. El policía saber or conocer a tu tío. The police know your uncle, okay? Who or what are the police knowing? They're knowing your uncle. That's a person or a place, so that's conocer. El policía forma conocer would be conoce. Número 4. Ustedes saber conocer el nombre de la maestra. Okay? You plural know the name of the teacher. This is another one where you're not knowing the teacher, you know the name of the teacher. So that's information. Wouldn't be conocer, that's not a person or place, so we have to use saber, saben. 5. To blank, saber conocer Milford muy bien. If you know Milford very well, that's a place. It's conocer, conoces. Okay, I've got a few other things for you to do. Make sure that you complete the activities that I have for you and make sure that you're good for the sub. Adios.